So here we are at our Cruinniú workshop. And what have you made, Pet?
I made this and it's called Super Bunny.
Super Bunny, that's fantastic.
And I made this and it's called Super Pig.
Super Pig and Super Bunny, that's fantastic. Good job, well done. Now, Avine, what did you make, sweetheart?
Diamond and Izzy.
Oh, can you show me your little work? Can you show me your little creatures?
This is Diamond, this is Izzy.
Oh, Izzy and Diamond. Is it? Oh, they're amazing. Well done. Good job. Good job. Now, look at this. Cruinniú.
No, Chloe.
Chloe. Oh, that's amazing. Well done.
And I did some colouring on the back.
Oh, that's fantastic job.
I did a tail on the back.
Oh, that's beautiful. And what's the name of your creature?
Jim.
Jim. Oh, Jim is amazing.
And he can fly.
And he can fly. He's a flying pig. Yeah. Wow. And what's the name of yours, sweetheart? Oh,
Cow.
look. Cow. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful cow. Well done. That's fantastic. And what did oh, Nora, look at these creations. So tell me about these, Nora.
This is the mom and this is Bibble.
Oh, that's...
And Bibble's eating his dinner.
He's eating his dinner and that's his dinner on the table. That's amazing. Well done.
What do I need to do now?
I'm going to come over. You can finish your colouring. I'm going to come over because it's nearly time to go home. So can tell me your name on yours there, Pet. What's the name on yours?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Oh, he is gorgeous. Is it he or she?
A she.
A she. She is beautiful. And what's the name of yours? You haven't decided yet. You're thinking about it. Oh, it's a beautiful creature. And here we have our superheroes. What's the name of your superhero? What's the name? Is it Superman?
But this is Supergirl.
Supergirl, that's fabulous. And let's see Supergirl's cape. Oh, that's amazing. Good job. And what's the name on yours? What's your superhero called? Have you a name for it? Not yet? Not yet. That's okay. Oh, look at these. Where are your creatures? Your creatures are down here. And what are their names?
This one is Smart, and this is Hop, and this is... What was it? Tina.
Tina. Oh, they're beautiful. And now you're doing some colouring. That's amazing. Good job.
Hello, Auntie Marty. So this is my leg monster. So this is the bubbles with the hose, and there's the 3 eyes, and this is the mouth, and the mouth can suck up all the pollution, and the air comes out of the hose, and this is all of it. And Trump, it's called a Trump.
Okay, so this is my canal creatures project. So in here is the canal. So the first thing is this swan that I made. I tried my best. I'm not perfect. This is a little fish. They're little sponges. This is a dolphin. This is a octopus. And this is a little fish. And like all this cut up plastic straws are kind of just like coral reefs. And then there's these really kind people that set out some food for the animals. Each have their own bowl. 3 there and 2 on the other side because they won't be able to fit. Okay, so this one, the big red one, is for the swan because the swan is a big one. This blue one, this white one is for the whale. This little tiny blue one is for him. That one's for her and for her.
I went to the canal and I saw a field mouse, and then I made it from a paper.
My name is Hannah and I am 5 years old. this is my project on the canal animals. And I painted it off. It's blue on the inside, and it's a shoebox.
And what are the fish made of?
And the fish are made of toilet roll.
And is that feathers?
Yeah.
And foam. And we also have a SpongeBob in there. And a butterfly. What do you say? Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
And what have you made?
I'm just making.
You're making a wonderful imagination creation, aren't you? That's fantastic. Well done. What have you made?
A cow.
Oh, that's so cool. Well done. That's fantastic. Good job. And what have you made here?
I made it a robot and this is for his food.
A robot and his food is in there. That's fantastic. And what have you made here, guys?
I made a bunny rabbit.
Oh, it's so cute. And you made a bunny rabbit too. Let's have a look. Did I get this side so I can see both of you with your... Oh, they're so cool. Well done. Fantastic job. Now, guys, let's see. What have you made?
I made a bunny.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And what have you made, Pet?
Robot.
A robot. They are fantastic. Good job. Now, girls, what have you made?
I made a dog.
A dog. Oh, he's so cute. He has big saggy ears. That's fantastic.
And then
What's that one? A pig. Oh, they are amazing, guys. Well done. Now, what have we made here?
I still have to kind of build the legs on it. And
The legs. Yeah, I can put the legs on for you.
actually, I have an idea.
And what have you made?
I was trying to make a field mouse almost look like an elephant.
Oh, that's a field mouse come elephant. That is so cool. And you have his legs there. I'll stick the legs on with the glue stick. And you have a long tail. They're fantastic.
Just one question.
Yeah?
What DVDs are they?
They're just ordinary DVDs and CDs. Ordinary ones, just stuck on, purple ones. Look cool, don't they?
Behind this.
And that's my treasure room in there. You can have a little peek if you want. It's my treasure room. And just in case anybody in the video wants to see my treasure room. That's my treasure room. Now, guys, let's see. What have you made?
I made a panda with wings
That
and a
is
unicorn horn.
so cool, a panda come unicorn. And this looks very interesting as well. What's this?
It's meant. I actually don't know what it's meant to be.
Well, that's okay. It's kind of evolving into something, isn't it? You're making it as you go along.
This is meant to be a sprite.
Oh, that looks so cool. Looks very interesting. Guys, you're all doing amazing work. Well done. Good job.